Okay, in this part, I will show you installing buttons and code editors on my computer. So, first step to installation of a Python step by step. I will show you. Firstly, go to the browser, your browser, and search for Python official websites. So this is the official websites of a Python. You see python.org. So click on downloads. You see here uh, looking for Python with a different operating system here. So Python for Windows. You see here Python for Windows, Linux, Mac, Android, etc. So according to your platform. So I downloaded for Windows because I'm using the Windows. So click on a window. Now you see Python are releasing for Windows more kind of versions here. If you see the new version Python 3.15 June 23, 2026. So you must be check for your computer PITs or what kind of OS you use. So I'm need to for my Windows 64 piece. So I click here for download. Already I downloaded in my computer. So after finishing the download, you must be open the folder and you see like this. So now after downloading, install in your computer Python. So double click and you see like this. So in this time, the important thing is add by Pythons to the path. You see here, add Pythons .ec to the path. Tick here and install now. Click install now. Python already installed. So now you must be after finishing the installation. You see, you make refine the installations. Verify your installation by open the terminal or command from CMD. So in CMD, I'm going to CMD and in here I check my Python. So Python version. So sorry. Well, you see, in the videos time, I'm already installed in my computer Python 3.1, 12.5. This version already. If you see like this, already Python installation is finishing. Python is installed successful. That means. So now I'm going to the browser, my browser, and go to your browser and search for. I need the code editor for example. So the popular code editors, I recommended for you a Visual Studio Code or a Sublime Text or anything. I recommended using the best Visual Studio Code because it is a fast, free, and professional. So in here, in a browser, I search VS Code. You see, this is the Visual Studio Code official website. Go and this, and now from the official website, VS Code is download for Windows. Click in here, download and install on your computer. Already VS Code. So already I installed on my computer VS Code here. So